Good afternoon. Today I want to show you my way, fast way to peel a prawn. I've already gone off the back of all these, but you just take a knife upside down, blade up, and just run it up the back. Then, next step, just if you want to leave the tail, leave this big section here, and then just pull it off. It's really easy. Next thing, stinky little shit pipe here needs to come out. This is how, if you're doing a bunch at once, go through, open all the backs, throw them all in the container. Open every back, then dump them back, and then peel them all at one time. Rather than doing each shrimp one by one, it's much easier to go quickly in succession at each stage. Very much like the Industrial Revolution and how we built the first automobile. Haha! Building automobiles with little prawns from Argentina. Yeah, these are Argentinian prawns that somehow we got in lockdown here in Antigua. They're very tender, very sweet. I don't know how we got something so good in these times of strife. That's it for today. I would love to show you in future. Save these shells. These shells are amazing to make stock with. It's basically flavor from trash, what people would throw out. Put these in simmering water for about 2 hours, strain the shells out, add some celery, onions, some garlic, kind of whatever you want. Simmer that, reduce it down, and you get a free stock turned into a sauce. It's really nice. And again, it's free flavor. Thank you very much.